Hello everyone, it's Adam here. This is footage from the DJI Mavic Air 2S. Some of you know that I had a Mavic 3. I had to return it. I thought I would review that in showing you this video. This is Sunapee, New Hampshire. So obviously this video quality and the photos are way worse on the Mavic Air 2S. Like, it makes me have some buyer's remorse because I spent a full 2 months with the Mavic 3. The thing is, the Mavic 3, I'm a amateur, obviously. The Mavic 3 cost me $3,000. The DJI 2-year warranty was an extra, I think, $450. It did not include the Pro controller. It was just the regular controller. And replacements, if I had damage, were like $400 or $500 replacements from DJI. That and the software was kind of half-baked. And it was bigger. It was double the size of the Mavic Air 2 and 2S. And so I thought about my use case. I use drones on motorcycles, dirt bikes. I travel on motorcycles. Space is at a premium. And I just thought, man, I would be so heartbroken and like financially out. $3,000. That's a lot of money to me if the Mavic 3 broke. But I also didn't want to cough up the $450 up front for a 2-year warranty. And so I just had to return it. I shot with it for 2 months. I really enjoyed my testing. I would love to still have it. But the Air 2S is a drone that is $800. If it flies away and I lose it, it's no big deal. The 2-year warranty is $170. Actually, $80 for me because I had a 50% off coupon. $80 for the 2-year warranty. Includes flyaway coverage and everything. And I actually ended up spending $1,750, and I got the $1,100 RC Pro controller with it. So basically, I paid $600-700 for this drone versus $3,000 for the Mavic 3 without the RC Pro controller. So all I'm saying is, sorry that my future drone shots look so bad. Instead of upgrading from the Mavic Air 2 to the 3, I'm upgrading from the Mavic 2 to the 2S. Looking at the still images, man, the Mavic 3 is so much better if you can afford it and not feel bad if $3,000 flies off into the sunset. But if you're on a budget and you don't have $3,000 lying around and you're not a professional, which is me in a nutshell, then the Air 2S is obviously more than capable. I immediately noticed also the reduced flight time, 21 minutes versus 40. But I love the RC Pro controller. I'll talk about that in a future video probably. We're nearing the end here. This is Mount Sunapee, famous or popular ski spot in our area. Not that I would know. Anyway, Mavic Air 2S for this year's moto trips. I'm still excited to have a drone, have the means to be able to afford a drone, but the Mavic 3 was a reach for me, and I knew better. And I'm glad that I've downgraded. So this thing has a 2-year accidental warranty through DJI, has the RC Pro controller, which allows me to fly in like 10 seconds. It's fast, no need to attach a phone. It has a screen built into it. Really nice. So, yep, I'm a peon with just a $1,000 drone instead of a $3,000 one. And I shot this video. So anyway, thanks for watching. It's cold up here. Hope wherever you are, you're warm. And I'm looking forward to 2022's riding, that's for sure. Take care.